Here's an idea for you. Instead of making your own t-shirts and trying to find people to buy them, why not just design them for other people? We'll have a look at Fiverr again and see what opportunities there are. And we'll just type in t-shirt, and here we've got some high rating t-shirts. So let's have a look and see what they do. Okay, so this gig is I will make t-shirt design for your business or Teespring, and it's $5. You can have a look at some of the designs. Okay, do you think you could make some designs like that? You just need to get some free software. You could use a product like GIMP, or even use a designing product like Canva to do your designs and then sell them to other people. And this person has already sold 1,200 designs. There's a whopping $6,000 in the bank. Let's have a look at another one. Again, these are nice designs, but you need to remember that usually the person wanting the t-shirt already knows what they want, so you don't even have to really think about it. They're going to tell you the words to put in, they're going to tell you the picture maybe that they want in it as well. You just have to mix the words around and give it back to them and ask them if that's what they want. If it's not, you just do it again. Really is that simple. Again, this buyer has already sold 400 units, so that's about a $2,000 return. Do you think you could make money designing t-shirts for people on Fiverr? Well, go ahead and get started. It's easy. It doesn't hurt to try. And that's it for today. Please subscribe, and bye for now.